Wow, man. Nice pad. Why, thank you. Nice garden. Much appreciated. And you worried about any of this flooding?
Don't worry, I've put up some sandbags. My house will be fine.
You sure?
Yes.
Really? What's that then?
Wait right there! Call 999! Oh! Oh! Oh!